This is the second video in this series. In the first video we looked at terminology and what all these words at the top here mean, as well as cost price and selling price. And now we're looking at some mathematics, some equations, some questions that we have to work out what the cost price is, what the selling price is. Did we increase something or decrease something? And now we're looking at this table in the middle of the screen. So what happens here is on the top part, so that part there that I just encircled, we're looking at if an increase or a decrease still has to happen. So they ask you to increase or decrease something. Where at the bottom part here, they already increased or decreased this amount, the price or whatever. So the increase or decrease already happened. That's the difference between the top and the bottom. The difference between the left and the right is on the left side we have an increase. Okay, so an increase already if an increase already happened, or if you still have to increase the amount, you look at the left side, the green part. Where on the right side, you can guess it, it's the decrease side. Either you still have to decrease the amounts or the decrease has already happened. Now we look at two questions here, and this is on the left side here. They tell you, we've got a bicycle, the cost price is 1,000 Rand. You bought it for 1,000 Rand. You want to sell it for 30% profit. So we want to determine the selling price. And now we want to know at which part of this table do we look at. And because we have to increase this amount to make a profit, and the increase hasn't happened yet, we still have to increase it. We're looking at the top left part. So we're going to look at that formula exactly like it is. It says n times by 100 plus a percentage over 100. The n is the amount, the cost price, the original price, 1,000 Rand. I multiplied by 100 plus the percentage of profit I want, 30%, over 100. And now you can type that into your calculator exactly as is. 1,000 times by 130 divided by 100, and you'll get a selling price of 1,300 Rand, and that is it. Now I've added my profit in there. I'm making 30% profit. That'll be 300 Rand on this cost price. The next one is exactly the opposite of that. They're telling us the selling price of this bicycle. So they're selling me a bicycle for 1,300 Rand, and they already added a 30% profit. The 30% profit is included in this selling price. I want to determine the original price, the cost price. What did this company buy this bicycle for? So now it's still profit. They still increased the amount. So I'm still looking at the green part on this table. But now the increase has already happened. So I'm looking at the bottom part where the increase has already happened. So then I'm writing that formula as n times by 100 over 100 plus my percentage. And I put in at n, I put in the original price, the 1,300 Rand, the selling price that they gave me. I multiply it by 100 and I divide that by the 100 plus the 30% profit. And now I'll get a cost price of 1,000 Rand. I know now that this company bought a bicycle for 1,000 Rand. They put 30% profit, they added 30% profit, and they sold it to me for 1,300 Rand.